Good morning. Now I am getting ready to do my morning duties because my son Zach, or my children, are in Arizona. We're in Pinon Hills. It's about 6 in the morning. The temperature is about 47 degrees, which is for us, it's cold, especially as islanders or Pacific Islanders. Here are my duties. Number one, to feed these little guys. All right. And number two, we're going over there. So the first animals we're gonna feed are these chickens here. There's about good 40 of them, and I give them about 2-3 scoops. One, you see it? And two. Actually, you know what? I'll be generous. I'll give them. This corn is good when it's cold. All right. So here we go. I'm gonna mix it up, and let's go. I'll show you how I feed them. Watch them. Okay. All right, little babes. Check them. One, two, three. Mokul, move. Move. That's basically what we do in the morning. All right, we're gonna go take care of the cows and pigs in a minute. All right, here we go. We're gonna be feeding this guy's pigs. That one wandered in last week Friday, and we've been keeping it, but the owner has contacted me, and he will come. Hopefully, he'll come by this weekend. And here are the piglets. Here's what we're gonna feed them. All right. So the pigs are next, and those guys over there, the cows, are after. That's a male and a female Texas Longhorns. So there we go. Let's start. I'm gonna go step in there and start feeding. All right, guys, move. So you have an idea what my morning is without Zachary. All right, thank you. Okay, so the last group of animals that we will be feeding are our pets. So you can see, they're all ready. That's Akku, Mokul, Kuribi, Tamu, Oreo, and little babe. Little babe, we don't want our pets. Anyways, they're getting ready to eat, so then after this, then I can get ready for work. All right. Have a blessed day. Thank you. All right. The animals have been fed. Now, time to get back to my day job.